Hello everyone, here we are on a Wednesday, the 6th of November 2019. It is about 2 in the afternoon and we're doing the flight around the sheets again on Carlisle Street. A lot of activity down there again today. Well, at least it's a lot of vehicles sitting around. I'm assuming it's a lot of activity going on. So you can pick out what you want to see there. The weather today is pretty nice. It got up in the upper 50s and very little wind. You'll see when it gets to the end, if you hang in long enough to see the flag, it's almost standing straight down this morning. So pretty nice day for drone flying. And the usual applies. Back down in the comment section, there'll be a link to take you back to the previous video to compare any changes that might have happened. So have a good day, everyone. We'll catch you later. Goodbye.